In this assignment, we have to create a fuzzy logic system for the following question. The question is saying that a telescope set up in Chile, we have to maintain its core temperature between the range 35 to 25 to 30 degrees. So here there are two variables. One is temperature and other one is wind speed. So for this I have created the two fuzzy logic systems. So one is for maintaining the fan speed and one is for maintaining the core temperature based on the fan speed. So this fuzzy logic system is giving us the fan speed based on the two input variable temperature and the wind speed. So for temperature I have created the five membership function. Each is the triangular membership function. So the range of this is temperature range is from 3 to 35 degrees Celsius, and the range of wind speed is from, I have taken the range of wind speed is from 1 to 100, and wind speed also contain the five membership function. Each one is a triangular one. So based on these two input variable I have created one output variable which is the fan speed, and the output of fan speed is in rotation per minute, and range of it is from 150 to 600 150, and it also contain the five membership function. Each one is a triangular one. After creating this I have created the fuzzy logic, Mamdani fuzzy logic, using OR connection. So this contain the 25 rules for the logics. These are the 25 rules. After completing this, we when we input temperature and wind speed, we are going to get a fan speed using this logic. And now I've used this fan speed to calculate the core temperature. So here another fuzzy logic which is calculating the core temperature, in which input is a fan speed and output is a core temperature. So input contains the five membership function range from 100 to 600 rpm, which we get using this fuzzy logic system. After inputting the fan speed, the core temperature is containing three membership function. Each one is the Gaussian membership function, low, medium, high, and the fan speed is also low, very low, low, medium, high, very high. So this is the fuzzy logic system for the fan speed. When the fan speed is very low, means very low fan speed is in the range like 120 rpm to 210 rpm, then core temperature is high. Fan speed is low, like 200 rpm to 300 rpm, then core temperature is medium. And fan speed is between medium, then core temperature is also medium. Fan speed is high, core temperature is low. Because high speed, then it meant try to decrease the core temperature when the fan speed is high. That's what it is. After that I have saved these two logics as the name, fan logic and a core temperature logic. Fan logic gives us the fan speed, core temperature logic gives us the core temperature of this telescope. So this is the GUIs I have created to simulate the temperature, core temperature. So this contain two input variable, one is temperature and one is wind speed. The temperature is a slider, range from 3 to 35. Wind speed is slider, range from 0 to 100. Initial value is 1 to 100. And this is the gauge, which in first gauge we see telescope fan speed, and the second gauge we see telescope core temperature. And the code part, I have loaded this two fuzzy logics for fan speed and core temperature, and rest are getting the value of a slider and calculating the output of core temperature. So I have going to run this program. So program is loading now. Here we see that gauge and the slider. I'm going to so I'm going to increase the temperature slowly. So again I'm going to set it to 32 degrees Celsius, and as per the question I'm going to set it to 60 kilometer per hour wind speed, so we are getting 26 degree approx 25.9 degrees Celsius, and the rotation is around 410. Fan speed is 410 and temperature is 25.9. So this way we can vary and we can see the output of core temperature. Thank you.